म्हादय प्रस्नार तहकूब विधानसभेत हालयतले. हातूंत काँग्रेस, मगो आनी अपक्ष उमेदवारांनी आमकां तेंको दिवचो म्हूण गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्षाचे निमंत्रक विजय सरदेसायान मागणी केल्या. डेस्क खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
On the issue of Madhai, the governor is on record saying that Goa has been cheated on the issue of Madhai. The other day, the Prime Minister attended a program in Karnataka and Mr. Yedurappa made a demand by which he sought an assistance of 50,000 crores to complete irrigation projects in Karnataka. He asked for more water for agriculture. आता हे उदक प्रधानमंत्र्यान ताका खंयच्यान हाडून दिवप. Only way he can give water is to ensure complete diversion of Madhai, which we think is happening as per their plan. So we will ask the MG, the independent Rohan Khawta, Congress legislative wing to support us in the adjournment motion.
This for Madhai?
For Madhai. Specifically for Madhai.
You are going, no?
We will know, I will know. You need minimum 716 million, 7 6 are 42. So, we will move an adjournment motion on this when it comes to the session on the 7th. And we will see that many issues will then be brought in the limelight with new spokespersons of the party. We will see that new blood gets encouragement and issues are brought in the public domain before the proper session which is coming in February. We know that all these issues cannot be brought in one adjournment motion on this one day, but Madhai will have to be addressed.